Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Beehiiv best strategies. So let's get started. So here we are in Beehiiv in our dashboard. So once you're logged in here, you can click here on monetize, and then you would see your options on how you can earn with your newsletter right here, or basically monetize it. So first one is we have the ads. So from here, the most common way on how you can monetize your newsletter is through ads. So you can just advertise different companies, creators of newsletters into your own newsletter, and that way they will be paying you for advertising them. And you can see your earnings right here, you can see your reports and so on right here. So yeah, this is very understandable and straight to the point on how you can earn money here in Beehiiv with ads. And now the next thing is the subscription feature here in Monetize right here. So click on subscriptions. And from here, you can advertise subscriptions into your subscribers right here in your newsletter. So you can turn your audience into recurring revenue, and you can convert free readers into paying customers. So how this works is very simple. Basically, your subscriber will be paying you a certain amount in order for you to let them read your maybe some special newsletters that you only give to your subscribers, something like that. So if you have something like that to offer, then the subscription feature here in the monetization in Beehiiv is perfect for you. And remember that this is only available for the scale plan. So if you're planning on using this with only the free plan, then you cannot do it. And you can also see right here. So for example, maybe you have 100 subscribers, and maybe you want to go for a $10 for the monthly subscription of your newsletter. Then you'd be able to earn this much in a year right here in Beehiiv. So I think that is a pretty decent amount already, considering it's a subscription. So yeah, this would be a really good one. And then the next thing is the boost. So in here, basically what you're gonna do is that you are gonna promote this publications right here into your newsletter. So it's just like putting up ads, but from here you can apply into which publication you would like to boost. You can click here on apply. But before that, by the way, you need to connect your Stripe right here, so don't forget that. So yeah, basically you can just choose whatever you want right here on which one you would like to advertise on your newsletter. And now finally, the last way that I'm going to tell you on how you can earn here in Beehiiv is through their partnership program. So you can go to beehiiv.com/partners, and then from here you can grow and earn together right here by earning 50% commission of revenue by simply introducing new customers to Beehiiv. So you would need to apply for this program. So not everyone would be eligible, but you can try and applying here right now. And from here, you can see on how it works. You would need to sign up. And then once you have signed up, you want to go into your dashboard, and then you would want to share your partner link with your audience. And then from there, once they use your link, then you would be able to earn 50% of revenue from your referrals for an entire year. So let's say you would get a 50 number of referrals. So you would get $35,000 per year. So that is really, really good once you have this certain amount of referrals right here, because you don't have to do much work right here after you have referred your link. So yeah, those are basically the ways on how you can make money with Beehiiv. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.